Accessing the new Google Sites is as simple as going to sites.google.com/new. Here you'll want to enter your Babson username and password. Once you enter the new Google Site interface, you'll see any sites that have been created by you or shared with you. In the lower right corner, click on the red plus to start a new one. Once the interface opens, you can give the page a title. And in the upper right corner, you can give it an overall title. It'll automatically pull that title in to the upper left-hand corner. You can change that and add a logo if you hover over that area. You can also change this image in the background and even the header type. The header types are large banner, title only, and standard banner. I'm going to leave it as the standard banner. To add content to your page, you simply go to the Insert area, click on Text, and you can start typing. You can use the Rich Text Editor to make it a title or a heading, and you can hover over any content to make it bold, italic, and so forth. If you want to add an image, just click on the Add Image. You can search by URL, or you can even search by typing in something. I'll add multiple images at one time. They'll drop right into your page, but then you can click and drag them to wherever you'd like. You can also click and drag on one of the corners to make it larger or smaller. I want these images to line up, so I'm going to make this one a lot smaller. You notice that as I click and drag, I get these nice guides to help me out. And there we go. Now I can add another text box below. And I can even click and drag that so that it is right next to the other image. In addition to inserting text and images, I can also insert a whole number of different Google applications, including YouTube, calendars, maps, and even documents. To see an example of that, I'll add a document. Click on Docs, open up the doc that you want, or search for it, and click Insert. It will live right there in line within your page. Adding additional pages is very simple. Just click on the Pages area, click on the purple plus Add Page icon, give it a name, click Done. After you add that page, you'll be taken directly to that page where you can add content. You can also add more pages at that time. As you add additional pages, your navigation will start to grow. You can add subpages as well. If I add this subpage, it'll appear just in line with all these pages, but if I click and drag that and add that to this page, it will live underneath that page and become a subpage with a drop-down menu. You can really change the theme and look of your site by going to Themes. Keep the theme you want, but change the color or font style. It's that simple. Or change the theme altogether. You can customize it to a great degree. Check them all out and see what works best for your project. At any point in the process, you can preview your page. Click on the eyeball to preview it, and you can see what it would look like in a mobile view, a tablet view, and the desktop view. Sharing your site is very important and will enable others to contribute. To share, just add additional editors. Click on the person icon, search for the people you want to share it with. You can add a message and/or send a notification, then click Send. In this case, I've added Lisa. Lisa can now contribute and edit to this site as well. In fact, we can contribute and edit at the same time. The last step in the process is publishing. After you've completed all your edits and your contributors have completed their edits, just click Publish. You'll have to give it a URL address and choose if anyone at Babson can see it or anyone on the web can see it, and click Publish. Once it's done, you can click on the drop-down arrow and View Published Site. And here it is.